Your Jamaican getaway starts long before the plane touches down. It starts with how you arrive. Why settle for average when you can arrive golden? Welcome to Aurum Transfers, Jamaica's premier luxury chauffeur service where first-class service meets island soul. From airport to adventure, we're not just taking you places, we're elevating every mile. Our executive fleet offers more than a ride. It offers a refined experience. Whether you're heading to Kingston's vibrant city life, a beachfront villa in Negril, or a secret hideaway in Ocho Rios, you'll travel in pure comfort and class. And booking, it's a breeze. Just say hi to Jet Set Genie, your personal AI assistant. In just minutes, your transfer is reserved, tailored exactly to your needs. Why rush? Why worry? Let Aurum handle the details while you soak in the journey. Every transfer comes with our signature promise: safety, sophistication, and seamless service. This is more than transportation. This is travel redefined. With Aurum Transfers, every ride is a golden moment. Reserve now at aurum-transfers.com /luxury in motion. Memories in every mile.